We need to go to work, go to school, and of course, go do mystery weird things. We have to build roads, and every now and then take a bus. Why not? Bus is one of the efficient public transportation modes. We need designated bus stops so passengers know where to get off and get on the bus and plan accordingly. And of course, more passengers. Every now and then, bus needs fuel, so needs to drive to a depot and get gas. With so many buses on the network, so many roads, so many bus stops, and so many passengers, bus transit system management turns into a complicated task. But don't worry, we got it covered. We are group A9-10 members, and this is our assignment number 9.